Hey there, lifestyle property people. One of the questions that we get asked by every single client that we speak to is, why Leeds? The answer is remarkably simple. Leeds offers the best potential for overall growth over the next couple of decades. And what that really means is that it offers the best rental return and capital growth potential. And the reason for this is many. The first is Leeds is the fourth largest city in the UK economy. It goes London, then Birmingham, then Manchester, and then Leeds. London has been growing for about 30 years, Birmingham for about 15 years, Manchester for the last 9 or 10 years, and Leeds for about 2 years. It's safe to say that Leeds is definitely the underdog, and it's now ripe for regeneration and redevelopment. The next reason is because Leeds is the largest legal, finance and insurance centre outside of London. It attracts a huge amount of great quality workers from outside of the city to come and work and live in the city. As a result, that increases the demand on property prices and that increases the price of houses. The third reason is because Leeds hosts 4 universities, and those universities churn out excellent quality graduates, typically from outside of the city, who then end up living and working in the city. Graduates typically tend to rent, and after they've graduated, that increases the demand for rental properties and increases the rents in the area. The final thing is the rail network expansion that's going on in and around the city at the moment. And that alludes to 2 separate rail network projects. The first is the HS2 between London and Leeds, and that's going to make the commute 1 hour and 23 minutes, which is a very short amount of time for 300 miles. And the second is the commute between Leeds and Manchester. They're currently building a train line between the 2 cities, and that's going to make the commute 25 minutes, which is a very short amount of time. The city centre in Leeds is currently being regenerated and has been for the last 2 years or so, and we expect that growth is going to dissipate out to Zone 2 and Zone 3, which is the areas that we tend to buy in over the next few years. It's now a good time to invest while the prices are low, and remember that no one regrets purchasing properties 20 years ago, so neither will you. Hope that's been useful for you to understand the answer to the question, why should you invest in Leeds? And I look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye bye.